Today we're going to take a look at a sleeping mask, and this is a 3D shape for people's faces. So we're going to take a look at it and see how it looks, all right? So first of all, we'll start with the nose area, all right? This is a different material. It's more like a very silky silk. It's kind of like a silk, but it's a material type, all right? It's mostly polyester on that part of it, but it has memory foam and it shapes your actual eyes, even the indentations right in the center of your eyes, so you won't feel anything. And then they give you this stretchable rubber band here so you guys can see that. So you could make it as tight as you want or as loose as you want. Now this part right here, so you won't, any light will not leak through your eyes and they stay focusing mostly on the darkness. So very unique. I mean, I like the style. It's very soft. So let's put it to use. Let me put it on and we're going to do a thermal to see if it gets hot or how cold it gets. So let's go ahead and test it out. All right, so we're gonna test it and flare it. If you guys see my face is hot right now, so we're gonna put this on and to see how much cold it gets and to see if it surrounds itself with any heat. So if you guys could see the camera, it doesn't show any heat in here. It shows very cool. And so if you're gonna be falling asleep and you have night sweats, you're not gonna have an issue with this because it stays a little cold. All right, so it's pretty much covering surrounding my whole face as it's supposed to, because it's shaped as 3D. I don't feel any heat anywhere, and it's something that I kind of like it because it feels very cool in your face. You don't have to something warm or hot. So very simple and very stretchable, easy to use. If you guys can see, it covers a lot. It keeps your face cool. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.